Hey, welcome back to part 4. I hate this camera. And you know that I do. So yeah, you could rotate, this little thing, and then you can get the little actual fire hose thing, and it goes up, down, bend to close, rotate. So yeah. Let's get them transformed to their alternate mode. So just push the hips. Oh no, arms? Arms or hips? I think they want the arms. Like I said, the instructions are more like power the primes, not that great are the instructions. So, I don't know where they actually want his little hands to go. I'm seeing a little tab here, but it doesn't look like the hands actually wants to tab on in here. And you kind of don't really tab, they kind of like sit. I don't know, I got one side to kind of tab, but the other side is just like, yeah. So we're going to do the best that we can. If we can't do it, F it. I'm going to say Hasbro's fault because Takari told me they know how to make something that's actually right. Push the legs together and just kind of do a flippity-doo. I don't care. Let's kind of get the hood up. Like you can see right there. Yeah, like this arm, it's not going in for some reason. And like I said, the ball joint pin situation, yeah. So, just kind of get them, snap them together. And yeah, this one's really, really weak and falls apart on every single part of it. I'm getting the doors to, lock into place. I got one side of the door to lock in place, the other side. They don't want to. The legs on the ball joints are just garbage. Pure, utter, disgusting garbage. Every single time the ball joint on the leg pops off. Every single time. I know that little trick that modders love to use, with a little bit of foreplay